Guys, this is game number 2. I really wanted to curve this lower than what I have. I want the mech warper. I think saving Harvest Golem is okay. This is not the kind of lower curve I wanted. I think I should have saved the Harvest Golem. Oh, synergy. Yeah, I most definitely do not. Okay. That's better. Hello. Spider Tank is such a beautiful card. I love every card. Ooh, fancy. Hello. So, I think silencing this one. That might be. Yeah, it's tempo. Coin. Ugh. Oh, smork. Oh, it's bad. Really wanted some way to trade with it, but I think I need to silence it. That one. Silencing that is okay. It's nice having the combo, even though I don't want it so early. It means that I have a win condition even if I lose board control. Which, you know, Tempo Mage is... I think it's really good against Druid. Like, if you want to beat Druid, you should probably play Tempo Mage. Because it just crushes Druid. Because of good hand. Always. I haven't seen Golden Flame Cannon. That's nice. Ugh. No, that's what I call a dance game. I really want like piloted Dr. Boom now. I want to refill my hand with late game. Does this deck run Azure Drakes? I'm fairly sure it does. You need the fasting. I'm gonna draw a card. It's another Saboteur. It's the mega combo. Combo. 5-drop would be nice. Lothab? I don't like Lothab. Piloted would be okay. I really like Toshli, so you know, intro sound. Spider Tank, I can live with it. Is he fighting spiders? Yeah, I guess he is. Ooh, does this deck run Tarzan? I'm actually not sure about that. What's that? Frostbolt? Oh, he's going face. No, wait. No, that was just his Toshli. I think I need Saboteur here. Yeah. Toshli is a good card. I think Toshli is incredibly underrated. Let's see what he has. Rag? Ooh. I think there's like one way to win this game. I think there's like 0 ways to win this game. Well, I can get like lucky bot bounces and kill Dr. Boom. It's the way I think we win. Well played. Nah. Well, I think that was a part of not having a good hand, first of all, and then he having a really good hand. I don't think the deck is, you know, particularly something you should use to climb. So yes, that was game 2. Soon comes game 3.